Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete an account in ClickUp. So this is really simple. First thing you will have to do in order to delete your account is go in right here to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on this drop down menu and you should see the settings icon with this gear. Click on it and it will transfer you to this My Settings menu. So scroll all the way down until you see this big red button Delete Account and click on it. If you are looking for deleting Workspace, then just go here to Settings and Delete Workspace. Button is right here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.